Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make a transparent image in Adobe Illustrator. For example, I've drawn this spoon, as you can see, and there's no background behind this one. So I'm going to create a background by selecting the rectangle tool behind this one. Now if I export an image, and I go to the file and export, in the JPEG format, you can see there will be a white background with this image. If I save it and right here, you see when I open the image, the background of the image is in white. We don't want this background. Instead, we want the transparent background behind the spoon. Now let's get back to the Illustrator. Now to make a transparent image, we need to save it as PNG. For that, you need to go to the files, click on export and click on save for web legacy. And from here you can select the format. I suggest you use the PNG24, and now you can see the background is transparent. If you don't even want this black background, you can simply delete it and go to files, export and save for web legacy, and then select the format as PNG, and there you go. You can zoom in and see the background of the image is now in transparent. Now to save this, just click on save and rename that and click on save. When I open the image, you can see there is no background behind the spoon, and that's how you can make an image transparent in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to like thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.